Tired of Roblox lagging? You can boost FPS with a few simple tweaks. Let me show you how. First, go to Roblox settings, set graphics mode to manual, and lower graphics quality to reduce lag instantly. Step 2, shut down heavy apps like browsers, Discord, or anything eating RAM and CPU. Now, on Windows, enable game mode and hardware accelerated GPU scheduling for smoother performance. Also play Roblox in a slightly lower resolution. This takes load off your GPU and boosts FPS. Use FPS Unlocker. Download the Roblox FPS Unlocker from a trusted source. This removes the 60 FPS cap and lets your PC go higher. Do these tweaks and you'll see Roblox running way smoother with higher FPS in no time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.